Well, I've got to share this with you because I got really quite cross, and I'm not the sort of person that gets really cross. I'm quite a laid back person, but I put my wheelie bins out in the morning to be emptied. When I came back at night, I walked up to put the bin away and I thought, it was still quite heavy. I opened it up and realised that it hadn't been emptied and that there was a lot of other rubbish in the top of this that didn't actually belong to me. Now, it was a recycle bin that I put out for collection in the morning, and I'm quite good with recycling everything, with the plastics, the glass, the cardboard. I noticed on top there was like dirty nappies, tea bags, eggshells, all sorts of things just strewn all over the top of my recycling.
Oh no!
And I thought, no wonder the council wouldn't take it. Now, in some places, councils actually fine residents if they contaminate their bins. I had a look online at what's available, and I noticed that there are locks that you can get for wheelie bins. So when I've been looking online and reading some forums, there's a lot of people experience similar sort of situations to me with people contaminating their bins. I went online and I had a look to see what was available out there, and some of the locks that are available are actually quite expensive. I thought, oh, I'm paying that money for that. So I was in a local pound shop, and I just thought I'm going to look for some sort of like lock, and I found these. These are bicycle locks. And guess how much they were?
What?
£1. So I got three. I got the green one for the green wheelie bin, that's the recycling. Let me show you what else I got. I got a black one for the normal household rubbish, and I got the sort of yellow one for the brown garden waste. So each one of those is £1, and I thought that'll do the job. Basically, what I'm going to do is try and drill a hole in the bin itself and hook this through underneath the handle of the bin, and drill a hole in the lip, so that way it can't be opened up by anybody just walking up the street who wants to throw their used chips or chicken in the top of my recycling. Very bad people, very bad people. Anyway, this is my recycle bin, and if you look around the outside of it, you'll notice that it does have a lip around it. So I'm actually not going to drill a hole in the lid of the bin or the side of the bin. I'm actually going to put it in the lip of the bin. So I'm going to use the handle, I'm going to drill a hole in here, and we're going to see how we go. When you do buy one of these though, if you do go to the, especially a pound shop to get it, do check that it's got the keys attached to it, because I had to look through and make sure, because some of them didn't have these attached. You don't normally see me with any kind of tools on my videos, but I have a drill. I think that's how you use it. So here we go. I'm going to drill a hole in the actual lip here of the wheelie bin. When you do get your lock, make sure that you get yourself a drill bit that's the same diameter as the sort of lock cable. So here we go. Wish me luck.
Good luck.
There we are. Yes. That was very easy. That was actually like cutting butter. This end is going to go underneath the handle of the bin. This end through here like so. And I'm just going to clip it in. And there we go. Can't put your rubbish in there. Try it. Anyway, I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please do click on that subscribe button at the bottom of the screen. And if you click on the bell next door to the subscribe button, every time I upload a video, you'll get a notification to your inbox. And not all the videos that I put up on my channel are DIY videos. It's a lifestyle channel, so lots of travel, documentary stuff on there as well. If you've got any comments, please write them in the box below. That's it from me. Thanks for watching.